Hello students, good morning. Standard 8, subject honeydew. लास्ट चैप्टर में 2 क्वेश्चन बाकी थे. Who was Tilly? Why did Tilly's family come to Thailand? Tilly was a 10 years old schoolgirl and Tilly family came to Thailand to celebrate Christmas. What were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? Both saw the sea rise and it started to form whirlpools. Okay. Now next, rewrite indirected. Sanju jumped into the water to rescue her, but they were both swept away. E1. Thought Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue her. They were both swept away. Second, the family had gone to the Nankower Island to celebrate Christmas. The family had gone to the island with a view to celebrated celebrating Christmas. Then came the first giant wave that swept both of them away. The first giant wave swap both of them away. Next, I didn't know what was happening. I was unaware of what was happening. Last, Tilly started to scream at her family to get off the beach. Tilly started to scream at her family so that they could get off the beach. ध्यान से लिखना बराबर. Okay. Next, write a paragraph on natural calamities in about 150 words. Earthquake is the tremor in the earth's crust caused either by volcanic eruptions or by sudden dislocation in the rock structure underneath. The usual phenomena of an earthquake are at first the feeling of a tremor, next 2 or 3 severe shocks on earth, and then again there may be a tremor for a short period of time. Sometimes mild quivering of the earth may continue for several days. An earthquake causes uncountable damage and sometimes heavy destructions of life and property. If the tremor is strong, the houses rock violently. Sometimes causes the high buildings come down during the inmates, and earthquake causes the trees move unusually as in storm, and the tanks and the rivers throw into usually commutations during an earthquake. It is unsafe to remain inside a multi-storied building. Houses made of thatch and bamboo are relatively safe. It is better. पहले इतना लिख दो. ये हमें ऐसे की नोटबुक में भी लिखना है. बराबर लिखना, स्पेलिंग वगैरह चेक करके। Okay, next. For the inmates of the houses to come out in the open at the time of earthquake. Generally, the neighbors are the alerted fearing an earthquake by blowing conch shells. Even at the dead of the night in a village, the sound of conch shells may awake and alert the sleeping people about the earthquake. The earthquake of 2001 that took place in the Kutch and Ahmedabad causes many buildings collapsed and took toll of a number of humans, lives and cattle. In Japan, earthquake is a common phenomenon. It takes place frequently than in other countries in the world. In India, earthquake is however felt from time to time in different parts of the country. The research in the direction of the forecast of earthquake is in progress, and we hope positively that it would help a great deal to withstand earthquakes with the least damage. Okay. Now, textbook, working with the text. Discuss the following questions in the class, then write your own answers. When he felt the earthquake, do you think Ignatius immediately worried about a tsunami? Give reasons for your answer. Which sentence in the text tells you that the Ignatius family did not have any time to discuss and plan their course of action after the tsunami struck? No, Ignatius did not think about the tsunami. He thought that it was just an earthquake. So he took the television off the table and put it on the ground. His family did not have time to discuss and plan their course of actions. The following sentence tells about the choice and confusions. Two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brothers and rushed in the opposite direction. सेकंड नंबर में क्या दिया है? Fill in the blanks. Fill in which word in the list below describe Sanjeev in your opinion. Look up the dictionary for words that you are not sure of. Brave, heroic, and selfish. Okay. Use word from the list to complete the 3 sentences below. I don't know if Sanjeev was cheerfully, ambitious and brusque. I think that he was very brave, blank and blank, heroic and selfish. Sanjeev was not heartless, blank or blank, careless humans. देख लो फटाफट से आंसर. Okay. After next. How are Meghna and Alma's stories similar? Meghna and Almas both were lucky. Meghna was carried away with her parents and other people, but she alone survived. She was washed ashore by a wave. Almas climbed onto a log of wood. When she opened her eyes, she found herself in a hospital in Komorta. What are the different ways in which Tilly's parents could have reacted to her behavior? What would you have done if you were in their place? Tilly foresaw the danger of tsunami at once. She became hysterical. Her parents didn't ignore her. They were sure that something terrible wrong must be going to happen, so they all left the beach and were safe. If I were in place of Tilly's parents, I might not have believed in her. I might have scolded her for getting hysterical for no reason. 5 and 6. See the answer. ओके कंप्लीट. उसके बाद क्या है? वर्किंग विद द लैंग्वेज. Go through part 1 carefully and make a list of as many words as you can find that indicate movement of different kinds. There is one word that occurs repeatedly. Couldn't have many times. Put them into 3 categories: fast movement, slow movement, and neither slow or fast. Fill in the blanks. The earth trembled, but not many people fell. Answer: trembling, confusion, relief, rescue, and excitement. Study the sentences in the column A and B. Positive voice, active voice. Compare the sentence in A to ones in B. Okay, now next and last. Someone stole my bicycle. A. Their tires were defended by the traffic police. A. I found it last night in the ditch near my house. आंसर देख लो. फर्स्ट मैंने तो क्लियर दिया है, सेकंड में P A A. ओके, क्लियर. और लास्ट में क्या दिया है? स्पीकिंग एंड राइटिंग दिखा रही हूँ आपको लिखना है.